Well, in the previous video, we did question 1.1.1. Now we're going to do question 1.1.2. 1.1.2. It is given by 2x squared minus 3x minus 3 equal to 0. Now, well, this is a type of a quadratic equation, trinomial, but now I want you to consider this thing. When you see next to the equation the statement correct to certain decimal places, or leave your answer in the third form, understand that you don't factorize here. Okay? Don't factorize. You can solve the problem either by using the quadratic formula or by completing this way. Now I'm going to use the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula. Okay. In the quadratic formula is given by x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay. What the quadratic equation itself is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now we're going to identify the value of the coefficients a and b, and then the value of the constant term c. So when we look at the equation, a is equal to 2, the coefficient of x squared, b is equal to negative 3, the coefficient of x, the term of x, and then c is the constant term, which is just negative 3. Now we're going to substitute that in the quadratic formula. Must write a negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, okay, all over 2a. Now let's substitute. We can have minus b. B is negative 3 plus minus square root of b squared, so negative 3 squared, minus 4a. A is 2, and then c is negative 3 over 2a. Now we're going to substitute this in the calculator. Get here. So we have like b is negative 3, so I'm going to write negative 3 there. Let's work out the plus, the positive first. Plus will be equal to negative 3 squared, b squared, minus 4a. A is 2, and then c is negative 3 all over 2a. A is 2. All right. Now, if you press equal, and we have our answer. We have the answer in the third form. Okay, it is given by 3 plus root 33 over 4. We'll write it here. X will be 3 plus minus root 33 over 4. Now this generates two solutions. Okay, one with the positive, the other with the negative. Now with the positive, what we have, okay, when we see this one, we have to press the button SD, this button SD, to see the decimal places. Now we have like more decimal places, but the question says correct to 2 decimal places. It means that we're going to look at the third decimal value, which is 6 here. And because 6 is more than 5, we'll increase it by 1 unit. So it will become 2.19. So the answer here will be 2.19. Now, and then to work out source of the negative, because you have a plus or minus, we'll work out the negative. You see, over here we need to change the sign to minus, okay? So we'll go back in the formula there. We're going to change the positive sign here by a negative sign. Now we will press equal, and then we have that. If we press SD, we have like to the third decimal place. Look, the third decimal number is 6. Okay, after the comma, and then 6 is more than 5. We need to increase 8 by 1 unit. So this will become negative 0.69. So negative 0.69. So these are the solution, the values of x, the solution to this problem. Now, the same problem can also be solved by complexity square. I'm going to remove this. Okay, by completing the square. Completing the square, abbreviated like that. Now, this is what we find the C value, and then we express C in terms of B over 2 to the power of 2. And this is possible only cases where A is equal to 1. Okay? But now, if A is not 1, like in this case, we have like 2x squared minus 3x minus 3 equal to 0. What we do, we are going to divide each term by 2 because we want to have A equal to 1, the coefficient of x squared. Now this will make x squared minus 3 over 2, x minus 3 over 2 equal to 0. Next, we will going to get rid of the actual C value, okay? It's 3 over 2. I have to move it over. Now, to find the C, the new C value that will make at the left-hand side of the equation, this side is a perfect square, okay? I'm gonna work it out. Like C will be equal to B over 2 to the power of 2. I'm subbing the value of B. B is negative 3 over 2. Now this is equal. This will be equal to, you know, when we have this fraction, this will make C will be equal to negative 3 over 2 times 2, okay, to the power of 2. So we can work out, simplify this fraction like that, okay. This makes C equal to negative 3/4 to the power of 2, which makes C is just 9 over 16. Now we're going to add the C value over here. So there right plus negative 3/4 to the power of 2 to the power of 2. And then there I plus the same value, okay, but this time I choose to work out to place in the simplified value of 3 over 3, negative 3/4 to the power of 2, which is 9 over 16. Then this will become x squared minus, okay, at the moment that we completed the C value, we can just take the basis, okay, of the first and last term. So it's going to be like x minus 3/4 to the power of 2 equal to, okay, 3 over 2 plus 9 minus 1. Now, remember, I want to simplify, to work to add 9 over 2 plus that was 16. 3 over 2 plus 9 over 16. So what I can do, I need to make this to 16. I'll times here by 8, I times there also by 8. Okay, so we will have like x minus 3/4 to the power of 2 equal to 24 over 16 plus 9 over 16. Now that the denominator of the right hand side are common, we can just write x minus 3/4 to the power of 2 equal to 24 plus 9 is 33 over 16. Then to reduce this, to find x, we need to reduce, so I'm going to square root both sides of the equal sign, and then the left hand side. Why? Because this power of 2 will be the square root will cancel the power of 2, and then we will left with x minus 3/4 equal to root 33 plus minus, okay, over root 16. I think I need to move my board a little bit this way because of space. So we have like x minus 3/4 equal to plus minus root 33 over root 16. Now, if I move the 3/4, the negative 3/4 over, it's going to be positive 3/4 plus minus root 33 over square root of 16 is just 4. And this can be just combined, you know, it's 3 plus minus root 33 over all over 4, which is the same value we got here when we were calculating when we solve this by using the quadratic formula, 3 plus minus root 33 over 4, and then we also have 3 3 plus minus rule 33 over 4. So the answer will be the same as over here. Thank you.